This is going to be our kitchen. It's going to be the next big project on our renovation list, and we're really excited because we've been waiting a little bit of time to come around to this one, but we're now moving into the villa, and this is going to be our next big renovation project this spring. Before we start ripping out the cupboards and getting in a mess, we need to have a really good plan and idea of how we're going to tackle this and what we're going to do.
So we're going to be using some AI tools that we used last year when we first started planning this kitchen project. They've come a long way since then. So we're going to go and head back into those and check them out and see what's changed. I think they've come quite a long way since, so we should be able to get a much better idea of what our kitchen is going to look like. And this video is also going to act as a step-by-step guide to try to show you the process of if you want to get an idea of any kind of space that you're about to renovate can look like with just a few simple and I think pretty much free AI tools. So we're going to jump straight in on the computer now. Let's get cracking, shall we?
First, open Canva. Take a photo of your current kitchen and upload it to a new project.
Now here's where it gets interesting. You can start making adjustments to the layout using Canva's tools. Want to move cupboards around? Use the Magic Grab tool. Want to add extra storage? You can do that too.
Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at this stage. We just need a rough arrangement right now. We're focusing on layout, not aesthetics yet.
Once you're happy with the basic arrangement, download your image as a JPEG or PNG file. Now we're ready for step 2.
Next, find an image of a kitchen style you really love. It could be from Pinterest, Instagram, a magazine, anywhere. Take a screenshot of it.
Now open ChatGPT and upload that inspiration image. Ask the AI to break down the aesthetic for you. It'll give you a detailed description of everything. The colours of the cupboards, the style of the door handles, the type of worktop, even the paint on the walls.
Once ChatGPT generates that description, you can make adjustments. For example, maybe you love the style, but you want white quartz worktops instead of wood. Just tell it to make that change.
When you're happy with the description, highlight the entire prompt and copy it. You're going to need this for the next step.
Open a new chat in ChatGPT. This keeps things organised. Upload the kitchen photo you created in Canva with your new layout.
Now type something like, "This is my kitchen. I'd like you to change the aesthetic by following this prompt." Then paste in the description you copied from step 2.
Here's the crucial part. At the end of your prompt, add, "Do not change the geometry, placement, or dimensions at all." This ensures ChatGPT focuses only on the aesthetic and leaves your layout exactly as you designed it.
Hit enter and ChatGPT should produce a pretty good image at this point. Save that image because you're going to need it for the next step.
Take your last AI generated kitchen image and upload it back into Canva. This is where you can really personalise things.
Want to remove the microwave? Go ahead. Want to add a plate rack or hang pans on the wall? Do it. Use Canva's Magic Grab tool to move things around and use the magic eraser to remove anything you don't like.
Again, it doesn't have to look perfect at this stage. You just need to get your new additions in roughly the right place.
Once you've made your changes, download it as a JPEG or PNG. This is where the real magic happens.
Open another new chat in ChatGPT and upload your latest kitchen image from Canva.
Now type in a simple prompt like, "Please redraw this kitchen from scratch, keeping the same proportions and layout, but make everything look perfect."
This is where everything really comes together. ChatGPT will re-render all the appliances and cupboards into a really polished, professional looking design. It's honestly incredible to watch.
Here's the beauty of this process. You can repeat steps 4 and 5 as many times as you want.
Go back into Canva, add more appliances, change wall fixtures, rearrange cupboards, whatever you want. Use the Magic Grab tool to pull things around and the Magic Eraser to remove anything you don't like.
Then take it back to ChatGPT for another polish. Keep iterating until you've got exactly the kitchen that you're dreaming of.
And that's it. In just 5 steps, you can create a realistic visualization of your dream kitchen without spending a penny on designers or expensive software.
This has been absolutely invaluable for planning our renovation at Villa Sweet William, and I hope it helps you too. If you try this out, we'd love to see what you create. Drop a comment below or tag us on Instagram.
If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more renovation tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.